Undoubtedly, you're wondering if this is the right course for you. So, I wanted to highlight that and talk about a few use cases of where this course may be valuable for you. So, I think that it breaks down into four main categories where you will find value in this course. I promise you, if you fall into one of these categories. If you have no familiarity with coding at all, but you want to start with an easy to learn, powerful language, that's Python, then this course will be valuable for you. If you're a beginner Python programmer, you have some experience, but not a lot, and you want to take your coding to the intermediate level, this course will add value for you. If you're an intermediate Python programmer, perhaps several years of programming experience in Python, but you want to solidify and refresh your skills. Perhaps you want to round out some skill sets with Python. Then this course will add value for you. Or if you're a beginner to advanced level programmer in any other language, but you want to learn or refresh Python skills, then this course will be valuable for you. This course will not take you to an expert level of Python development. That will take years of programming. And I also do not cover all of the many advanced topics in Python. So it's more focused on beginner to intermediate level, which, that said, a beginner to intermediate level Python developer or person with these beginner to intermediate level skills in Python can do a lot of powerful things in their career, at their job, at home, with hobbies. You will be able to do a lot of things as a beginner to intermediate level Python programmer. Some common job titles for people with Python skills that I think is worth highlighting are listed below. I won't read those out for you. Personally, I'm currently a network engineer. And that's one of those things. I work with switches and routers and firewalls and load balancers and all that kind of stuff. You may not be inclined to think that a person like me would use Python, but I'm telling you that it is everywhere. It is ubiquitous. And the fact that I know Python to a good level helps me tremendously as a network engineer. So if you fall into one of these categories, this course is for you. You're in the right place. I think you'll definitely find some value to it.